Slowly. If you, I think if you want to move it up, move it over my head like this slowly. Like that, yeah. Okay. Just upstairs here. First, wait. Okay, wait a moment. Let me get ready. Okay, you can start off. Maybe zoom in on the Echo Park. Where?
I don't know how to zoom.
Are you ready? No, you cannot zoom. Just action cam. Okay, where are we now, Leah?
We're in Maglambing.
Maglambing, Carpenito, Echo Park, which is
I cannot see. The bus is blocking.
the Buacan Cold Springs, right?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, there's a new road here, brand new. We haven't been on the new road yet, so we're going to investigate if the road is finished. Oops, there's a big bus passing us. Bachelor tour on the way to Bislik. So, guys, we're going to investigate the road here. Huh? Go in the front, no. Push, running. Go running. Just there. Hey guys, so we are on the way to Buacan Cold Springs. This is the new road. We haven't been on the new road, so we will see if it's finished. And then we're gonna go past the Buacan Cold Springs. We're gonna go to Bill Mcfarlane, who is in the UK right now in England. He invited me via YouTube to go to his house, which is in a small town next to the river called Carpenito. So Leah and me are on the way to Carpenito right now. We're on a motorbike, and he invited us for roast suckling pork pig barbecue. So we're gonna be filming up to his house. So you can see the road, how good is the road. Leah's gonna be the camera lady. She's a very good camera lady, guys, and she's gonna do a little bit of commentary and with me together. Okay, so I'm gonna hand it over to Leah right now. Keep watching. Here we go. Hello, Leah, for you. Okay, let's keep rolling. All you have to do is just keep it steady. It's pretty much automatic. There's motorbikes coming there, can you see?
Yeah, right.
Wait for these motorbikes to pass us by, and there we go. Okay, we are rolling. We're on the way to. Oh, here comes a hubble. Another hubble. Okay, let's see the road. It looks quite good. Right. Whoop. Comes off. Up the door. Okay, let's see if our buddy Wolfgang is here. Oh, it seems like he's open. Is he open? Yeah. See if Wolfgang is around. Hello! Where's Wolfgang? Home? She doesn't speak English, huh? Oh!
He's home.
Home, okay. TMK, that's Wolfgang the German, our German friend store. Okay, we won't visit him now. Cold Springs, the road looks really good here. See how far it goes. Let's go at this speed maybe. Who's this guy? He's the governor. Congressman. Did he spend his own money? Or?
Of course not.
Of course not, huh? So why is he putting his ugly face there? Pretending to spend his money. I see that dissolve the road board. 90 billion undeclared money. 90 billion. Oh yeah, that's the end of the fucking road. Look at this. It lasted for 100 meters. It's a great project. Great project. Another never-ending fucking road that's never gonna finish. Ever. Part of the 90 billion undeclared. Where the corrupt politicians get their money from. These roads that never ever end. They work on them for years and fucking years. And you know what is sad is the road is much worse than it was before. I mean, even when it was rough, you could still go on it, but look at it now. Oh, for fuck's sake. Jesus Christ. just mud. Oh. Oh. You know what?
It's okay.
Oh, but this mud clogs on the wheels. Okay, let's try. Let's see. Okay, guys, muddy road. Leah's gonna show us. I hate this mud because it's really fucking dirty. And your shoes. I'm wearing my new Crocs. I just washed them, and now they'll be full of mud. So here's the new road project, guys. Fucked up. Fucked up by the politicians, for sure. The road from here to Barobo is just fucked up for years now. Fucked up for years and years and years. While the politicians get their money out of it. So Duterte, we fully support you. Close these motherfuckers down with their corrupt projects that never fucking finish. God.
How's the battery life for this?
I think it's about an hour maybe.
Oh, yeah.
We'll shoot up to, I just recharged it yesterday.
Overnight?
Yeah. Fine. We'll shoot till, I think what happens is every 10 minutes it automatically switches. So you got 10 minutes segments, so it's really good. Perfect for YouTube. You need at least 10 minutes to advertise
Open the road.
or monetize. So there's not much happened on this road for how many? For a year now already. You saw the beginning.
And they only started it this year.
Yeah, but that's it's a new year already. So I guess it's gonna take many years. And this is a tourist attraction, guys.
They own it.
This is the priority given to tourist attractions here in our lovely town of Tagbina, where the local government doesn't really care at all. I don't know what they care about here, but it's definitely not about the people and their livelihood. I think it's, yeah, we don't want to say too much, but I think President Duterte knows. The chicken,
Yeah.
cockerel, he's looking for his hand. another, how many minutes to the cold springs? Maybe 2 minutes. So we will just pass by the cold springs, the river. Hey, yeah, look at the farm. This is government farm?
Yeah. I don't know what they put in it.
It's like,
It's very empty. Careful.
supposed to be government land. Oh, just land, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Lovely.
A deep dungeon in a road. This is the government farm. Well, today is the 24th. Is that sheep? No, it's cows. What is that?
Goat.
Philippines. Okay, guys, here's the spring. Leah will show you the approach now to the spring. We already have some vans here. This is a cold spring. Can you show us the view there? People.
Yeah.
Actually, we bought a piece of land here, but it didn't work out
Yeah.
well. Here's the spring. People are sitting. People are swimming in the spring. I've made many videos about the spring here, guys. So you just look for it. We're going all along the river and then turning to Carpenito, the little town where Bill Mcfarlane lives. Well, here's the bridge here over the river. Leah, you've never been to Carpenito?
No.
Really?
Never.
Actually, if you go straight down this road, you'll get to that coffee plantation. We went there, right?
No.
You and me, didn't we pass by there? Oh,
I think it was with the, I don't know.
was I alone? Maybe I was, no, there was
I
some,
don't remember.
I went to talk to the manager, his daughter. Straight down this road, continuing, it's a coffee plantation. We will go there one day. It's quite a long way, and I'll show you how it works there. I think here we have to make a right turn to Carpenito. The road here is quite rough. And then on this road, we're gonna get to Bill's house, Bill Mcfarlane, and we'll 5 minutes, and then maybe less, depending. Oh, it's starting to drizzle, you know, yeah. Oh shit! I can feel the rain, the first drizzle. Here is very deep jungle. The road is not good. But the house is up ahead, and then we'll show you some of the food quickly. And oh shit, look at the fucking road. Very muddy, very muddy, which means that the motorbike and my shoes it's splattered mud. I don't like it. Don't like mud. Don't like mud. Is washing. Not too bad. Too bad here. Keep left, so we are left wing here. Stay away from the mud. So this will be Leah's first visit to oh, here's a goat. Because you run into the way here. Having a holiday. A little bit of drizzle coming down. So, but I think we're going to make it before the rain pours. The house is on the right side. It's a big white house. I think it's over that next hill. Because as you enter Carpenito, Carpenito means carpet because they're making these carpets in Carpenito. They're using, what is this fiber from the trees, Leah? Yeah, oh no, from the coconuts. Is that amaka, what do you call it? Whatever. Oh, fuck.
It's not abaca because abaca is from the banana.
It's from bananas. Oh, it's like some kind of fiber from coconuts, I think.
Coconut husk.
And then they make it for the roads, for the to keep the on the landslides under control. So it's a rough, very rough fiber. Oh, mud. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to wash the bike, spray it down, hose it down later. Okay. Not to mention my shoes. Look at my shoes. Mud patches. I just washed it. Muddy again. Okay, I think over this hill now. Down the hill. That's in front should be Carpenito. You see a few lonely houses. Then all of a sudden, a big school there. There's the hanging bridge. The hanging bridge you guys have seen before is there at Carpenito. I've crossed it many times. Down the middle here. Not left, not right. We're going right down the middle. Oh. Sliding. Okay, here's the first houses on the left. Left side, yeah. Other left. Oh, yeah. It's a typical wooden hut. Countryside. In the road. I'm fighting the kids. Okay guys, this is the entrance to Carpenito. Number 45. They have an address.
No, it's the gasoline price.
Oh, that's the price of gasoline. Nobody has an address. I think it's here on the right side here.
Is it the greenhouse?
Oh yes, I think that's the house here. It used to be white. I think here's the entrance road. Is this
sure?
Ask them if an English guy lives here. Wait, let's see. Well, you've got to ask these kids. I think this is Bill's house. Hello?
Kinsa ng balay? Kang Bill? Katong foreigner?
Live there?
Yes.
Okay, it's green now. I thought it was white, but it maybe painted it. Hello?
Hi.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Francis. My name is Jocelyn.
Your name is Francis? Oh, my name is Francois. Guys, the road here is not that, it's more like a path, but the house there, as you can see, in front of you, can you focus on the house? This is Bill's house, and we're approaching, it's family, wow, it's got a big gate now. Okay, I'll park outside there. And,
I'll get up.
Okay, you said so, but you didn't move. So, okay. Can you walk up to the gate and then... Keep filming. I'm going to keep on filming the way. And so... way. How did you enjoy the ride, Leah? Your first visit to Carpenito? Welcome. Leah's a very nervous back rider. Very, very nervous. Whose car is this? Is it Bill's? Blue, yeah. Nice. That's the same as... Hello. Hey, we are here now. How are you doing? How are you doing? Are you awake? Yeah. You wake up already? Okay, guys. Yeah, I want to send to Bill. He wants to see it. He wants to see what you're doing.
Wow, the lift is not here yet.
Oh, really? We're still waiting, huh? Oh, no problem. We can wait.
The lift's on.
Is it on the way? It's very muddy, the road, huh? Look at my shoe there. There's muddy shoe, guys. So we are here now, and we're gonna be. I'm taking off the shoes here. Oh. I'm standing in my bare feet. Here's a little cloth that I'm gonna use to wipe. I'm gonna leave my shoes there. Hopefully it's okay. No dogs to carry them off. Nice big house. Very comfortable. Yeah, you're comfortable there. Green chairs, green house, very nice coffee. No beer now, I suspect. Only joking, half joking. So this is the environment here, guys. Very rural Carpenito. This is Bill's house. He's still in England right now, and he said he will be here in March or May. No, I forgot now. He's doing. The town is out there. At the back here is a river, and then it's a hanging bridge. Probably when we leave, we're not gonna go back because the hanging bridge there is much faster to the highway, very close. Only 3 minutes we'll be on the highway from here. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get back on my other cam. So I'm signing off here on this little action cam. We use it by motorbike. So let me switch it off. Cheers. Bye bye, Leah. Yeah, so happily busy with her. I think they have Wi-Fi here, actually. So, cheers. Let me switch this off if I can.